Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Smita, and in my today's video I'll be making avocado chapati. And I love avocado fruit because of its neutral taste. It goes well with anything. And avocados are known for its nutritional content, and they're also called as healthy fat. I've never seen such a soft chapati in my life. If it's just the wheat chapati, it's still soft, but when you add avocado to it, it's so soft and really good to eat and very healthy. So let's get started. I cannot conclude this video without my daughter, otherwise she'll get really mad at me, right Sanskriti? So please do like.
But I'm really if I be mad, I won't be mad. If you be mad, it's okay to be mad. And mommy, you can say mommy nicely. Mommy, I'm sorry to understand you. I'll talk to you nicely.
Okay. So can we say
subscribe? We can say subscribe.
Please do like.
Please do like,
Share.
share,
And subscribe to my channel.
subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell button if you love this video.
Okay. Until then,
Until then,
bye.
bye-bye, kids, little monkeys.